fault. My goal is to commit a completely clean suicide without burdening anyone. Yet I did trouble you, so really the fault lies with me. I should apologize, or better still, make it up to you. Are you by chance hungry?
Well, the truth is I haven't eaten in several days.
How odd. I'm also hungry.
Lucky coincidence.
But I'm afraid the river has taken my wallet.
Can we stop by at a beef bowl place? I'm really starving.
Hang on. You eat beef even though you keep cows?
Of course! I love absolutely everything about them, including how they taste.
You know, if there were such a thing as infinitely regrowing shrimp,
Dazai's a little more obsessive than usual today.
a multiplying technique like that could be an instant solution to world hunger, don't you think? In fact, it just might even be powerful enough to solve my hunger as well.
Huh? He's trying to tell me something.